So when I look at these pages, it makes me think that he wasn't that old when he was figuring out how to make a windmill. So when we see this picture, it says William's cousin climbs on one of the windmills on the Kakwambwe farm. And William's parents stand outside their home. William's windmill towers in the background. And what I notice is that they have their lights on, which I think is so incredible that he figured out how to do this from a textbook. So, pretty incredible. So, as we're reading, we're thinking about what were some of the causes and what were the effects that it had on William as he was trying to make all of these different inventions. In 2006, a school inspector saw the windmill and informed his head office. William's machine now powered 4 lights and 2 radios in his house. He'd added a storage battery with homemade switches and a circuit breaker. He also recharged village cell phones. Soon, William was being interviewed on the radio and photographed for newspapers. The story of the boy with only an 8th grade education who'd built electric wind spread across the internet. In 2007, the 19-year-old who had not attended school for 5 years was flown to Tanzania to speak at the prestigious TED conference, featuring innovators from around the world in technology, education, and design. Nervously struggling with his English, William received a rousing ovation from the auditorium of inventors and scientists when he modestly described what he had done. William attended Dartmouth College in the United States, where he studied environmental science and engineering. He graduated in 2014. William is dedicated to bringing wind and solar-powered electricity and water pumps to impoverished villages in rural Africa. So, on the next few slides, you're going to be thinking about cause and effect, what you know about cause and effect, and how that might help you understand this story. It's pretty incredible that someone can learn all of this on their own. And thinking about what grit and talent he must have had for being able to persevere and try and find solutions for big problems that his country was facing.